Hello students, today we will discuss about solution of exercise 7.2. In this video we will discuss about question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This chapter is mainly on section formula. So let us start with question number 1. Question number 1 is find the coordinate of the point which divides the join of minus 1 7 and 4 minus 3 in the ratio of 2:3. So as you can see, I am considering this point as A and this point as B. So suppose this is A point, here is B point and here is another point P which divides AB line segment in 2:3 ratio. Okay, this green one is 2 ratio and this yellow one is in 3 ratio. Now what will be the coordinate of P? Okay, so now I can use the section formula. In place of m1 is to m2, now it is given as 2:3. Okay, and the coordinate of A and B points are given. So I am using the section formula. The coordinate of P will be, for the x coordinate it will be 2 into 4 plus 3 into minus 1 by 2 plus 3. Okay, again for y coordinate 2 into minus 3 plus 3 into 7 by 2 plus 3. Okay, now do the simplification of these two coordinates. You will get 5 by 5 comma 15 by 5, that is 1 by 3. So the coordinate of P will be 1 comma 3. Now the next question, find the coordinate of the point of trisection of the line segment joining 4 minus 1 and minus 2 comma minus 3. Okay, so this question is similar as yesterday's question, right? Suppose there is 2 points which are the point of trisection. Trisection means this 2 points will divide the AB line segment in 3 equal parts. Okay, so suppose the points are P and Q whose coordinate we have to find. These are the point of trisection of the line joining A and B. So as you can see in the figure, there is 3 parts. One is green one, another is yellow one, another one is blue one. So if you look at the figure, you can see that this P will divide this AB line segment in 1:2 ratio. Okay, that's why AP is to PB is equal to 1:2. Okay, so now M1 is to M2 is given as 1:2. The coordinate of A and B is given, so I am using the section formula here. Okay, this one is M1 is to M2. Okay, so if you use the section formula here, the coordinate of P will be 6 3 comma minus 5 3 or 2 comma minus 5 by 3. Okay, now if you consider the Q point, as you can see in the figure, Q divides this AB line segment in 2:1 ratio. Why? Because here is 2 part in the left hand side of Q and here is 1 part in the right hand side of Q. So that's why Q divides this line segment in 2:1 ratio. That means now M1 is to M2 is 2:1. Okay, now again use the section formula, you will get the coordinate of Q point. Okay, and the coordinate will be 0 comma minus 7 by 3. Okay, in this way you have to find the coordinate of points of intersection. So here is question number 3. As you can see, this question is very large one. So let me read this question. The question is, to conduct a sport day activity in your rectangular shaped school ground ABCD, line have been drawn with chalk powder at a distance 1 meter each and 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance 1 meter from each other along AD, as shown in the figure. Niharika runs 1/4 of the distance of AD on the second line and posts a green flag. Preet runs 1/5 of the distance AD on the 8th line and the post of red flag. what is the distance between the both flags? If Reshmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining these two flags, where should she post the flag? Okay, so let me look at the picture. This is the picture. Okay, it is given that here the distance between this chalk mark is 1 meter. Okay, so this distance is 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter each. Again also given that between two flower pots the distance is 1 meter. Okay, here is also 1 meter. Now how many flower pots are there? 100 flower pots are there along this AD line. That means the length of AD is 100 meter. Okay, now this girl is Niharika. Niharika is running through the second line and she covered 1/4 of AD. Okay, that means 1/4 of AD means AD distance is 100. Okay, so 1/4 of AD means 25. Okay, so you can see that here is the second line. If you consider this AB as x-axis and AD as y-axis, you can say that the coordinate of Niharika will be 2,25. Why? Because she is in second line and 1/4 of 100 is 25. Now if you consider about Preet, Preet is running through the 8th line, so x coordinate will be 8 and she covers 1/5 of AD line, that means 1/5 of 100, that is 20, right? So her coordinate will be 8,20. Now the question is, what will be the distance between their flags? So the coordinate of this flag is 2,25 and coordinate of this flag is 8,20. So you can find the distance between NP. Okay, by the distance formula you can find the distance between NP. Okay, so let's check the solution. Niharika runs 1/4 of 1/4 the distance of AD on the second line and post green flag. As you can see, they have evaluated the coordinate of Niharika, which is 225 and Preet is 820. So the distance will be, you are using the distance formula, it will be root under 61. Okay, now the second part was, there is another girl, Reshmi, who posted a flag between the middle of NP. Okay, that means you can say that this R point or Rashmi is the midpoint, stands in the midpoint of NP. That means Rashmi divides the NP segment in 1:1 ratio. I have to find what is the coordinate of Rashmi. Okay, what is the coordinate of the point of this R? So as you can see, R divides this NP in 1:1 ratio. So you can use, or you can say R is the midpoint of NP. So you can use the midpoint section theorem and you can evaluate what will be the coordinate of Rashmi. As you can see, if Rashmi has to post blue flag exactly the halfway between the line segment joining two flags, then the coordinate of the flag posted by Rashmi is equal to coordinate of the midpoint of NP. So they are using the midpoint section formula. So the coordinate of Rashmi will be R, 5,22.5. Okay, so Rashmi should post her flag in 5th line at the distance of 22.5 meter. Okay, in this way you have to solve this question. Now question number 4. 4 is, find the ratio in which the line segment joining the point this and -3, 10 and 4, -8 is divided by -1, 6. Okay, so AB line segment is given. Okay, P is a point between this AB line segment whose coordinate is also given as -1, 6. Now the ratio of division is not given. Okay, so you have to find what is the ratio in which this P point divides AB line segment. Since you don't know what is the ratio, you can consider the ratio as k is to 1. You can consider m1 is to m2 also, but k is to 1 will be the easier one. So you can consider m1 is to m2. I am considering k is to 1. Okay, so if it is k is to 1 ratio, then by section formula p will be k into 6 plus 1 into minus 3 by k plus 1 for x coordinate. Similarly for y coordinate, k into minus 8, okay, plus 1 into 10 by k plus 1. This both left hand side and right hand side are the coordinate of the same point P, and the coordinate of a single point will be always unique. Okay, there will be a unique coordinate for a single point. That means since these both are the coordinate of P, they must be equal. So this x coordinate minus 1 will be equal with this expression, and y coordinate 6 will be equal with this expression. So comparing the first one, you are getting this one, and second one you are getting this one. Okay, so solve the first one. You can see that the value of k will become 2 by 7. Okay, value of k will become 2 by 7. Okay, that means you can write k by 1 is equal to 2 by 7, or you can write k is to 1 is equal to 2 is to 7. So what is the ratio? Ratio is 2 is to 7. Okay, and this way you have to solve this question. Now question number 5. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining AB is divided by x-axis. Also find the coordinate of the point of division. Okay, so first of all you have to find the ratio in which the line segment AB is divided by x-axis. Okay, suppose P is the point on x-axis which divides AB line segment. Okay, P is the point which divides AB line segment. Now P is also lies on x-axis, and you know that any point on x-axis is of the form of x comma 0. That's why I am considering let P be the point on x-axis which divides the line segment AB in k is to 1 ratio, because ratio we have to find the ratio, right? Ratio is unknown. So I am considering this P point divides this AB line segment in k is to 1 ratio. Okay, and since P is lies on x-axis, the coordinate is x comma 0. Now you can use the section formula. Okay, so by the section formula it will become the coordinate of P is k into minus 4 plus 1 into 1 by k plus 1 for x coordinate, and for y coordinate k into 5 plus 1 into minus 5 by k plus 1. Okay, and the coordinate of P is given as x comma 0. Again, they both are the coordinate of the same point P, so they must be equal. The x coordinate and y coordinate must be equal. If you equate this y coordinate with this y coordinate, you will get this equation. From here, from this equation, you can find the value of k. The value of k will be 1. Okay, now put the value of k equals to 1 in the first equation while you have equating this x coordinate with this one. Okay, put the value of k in the first equation. Okay, okay, you have putting the value of k in the first equation. Okay, so the value of x will become minus 3 by 2. Okay, so the that means k is equal to 1 is implies k by 1 is also equal to 1 by 1. That is the ratio k is to 1 will be 1 is to 1. That means this P point will divide this line segment AB in 1 is to 1 ratio. Okay, also the value of x becomes minus 3 by 2. Okay, that means the coordinate of P point is minus 3 by 2 comma 0. Okay, in this way you have to solve this question. This is all for today. Thank you.